he says this to me, this is a true story. He goes, I think this girl's the one. He said it. So I say, John, you just got there. He says, no, this girl is different. There's something really special between us.
I didn't think there was someone else out there with the same energy as Caroline until I met John, who makes you feel comfortable right from the get-go. They always seemed extremely happy because they were with each other.
There's like a few moments in time that like kind of led up to when I asked her out. So we were, it was our last night of kind of like pre-training for Teach for America. One day where I saw her sitting down studying outside the laundry room. It's like, she's like really cute. I want to like talk to her.
We started talking and texting, and then he finally asked me out on July 12th.
Hi, sweetie. Flash forward to today, October 6, 2018. We are in one of our favorite places on earth. In a few short hours, we're about to become husband and wife. I have the utmost confidence in our future, and I cannot wait to come home to you every day. Cannot wait to cook dinner with you and dance with you in the kitchen, with me leading, of course.
My dearest Caroline, can you believe this day has finally arrived? In order to fully appreciate the beauty of today, we have to look back on how far we have come. I cannot imagine spending the rest of my life with anyone but you. You are loving, always. In good moments and in bad, you strive to love me like I've never been loved before. I am so honored and proud to be your husband. I cannot think of a better mother, teacher, and role model than you. Our children will be so lucky, and I will be forever lucky to call you my wife. You are the most important person to me in the world, and I cannot wait to see you in all of your beauty walk down the aisle in a few hours. You are my sweet Caroline forever and always.
And I cannot wait to see you as a dad, because I know you will be the best one out there. It is without a doubt that we have been through a lot. Not every day was sunshine and butterflies, but our love continues to ground us and make us stronger. We may not have it always together, but together we have it all. Love your soon-to-be wife, Caroline, aka Mrs. Caroline Allen.
So Caroline and John, it has been incredible to watch your relationship grow over the last 5 years. Your unconditional love for each other is apparent in the way that you care for and support one another. As you embark on this next chapter together, remember that your family and friends that are here tonight will always be there for you. We are all excited to see what the future holds as you begin what will sure to be your greatest adventure yet.
I, John, take you, Caroline, to be my wife. Promise to be faithful to you in good times and in bad.
In sickness and in health, to love you and honor you all the days of my life.
I now present to you Mr. and Mrs. John C. Allen IV.
More than just your friends, but as family, because that's what you are to Katie and I. You are family in every sense of the word in our hearts. So I think we are just all of us here so lucky to have such kind, loving, strong, and fun people in our lives. And I am so excited to be by your side as you start this next step of your journey as a couple. Cheers.